What is User Requirement Specification, URS? User Requirements Specification, URS, is a specific document, wherein user generally defines needs, target, goal and their expectation for a system, service and product. This is actually blueprint for the development personnel, and it helped to ensure that the product meet the target for the specific group. Types of requirements. There are several types of requirements, which are depicted here: business requirements, functional requirements, stakeholder requirements, non-functional requirements, transition requirements. How to document a URS. To write User Requirement Specification for a pharmaceutical company equipment, following points should be included. Front page, list of revision, list of addendums, table of contents, list of abbreviations, signature page, scope, procedural document requirements, operational requirements, constraints, life cycle, GMP requirement, documentation requirement, terms and conditions, discussion, annexers, validation requirements. Which things to follow to write a modern URS? To write a best URS, you need to keep the following points in mind. Focus on single requirement, avoid haziness, go with smart approach, organize, control changes to the requirements must be testable, structural products, vendor audit, specifications, training, and documentation, eliminate requirement redundancy, embrace the opportunity to evaluate vendors, don't be intimidated by your vendor comparisons. What ought to be included in the URS? Categorize your requirements, subjective knowledge, and processing step. The requirements may be incomplete or not fully specified. What is the benefit of good user requirement specification? A good user requirement specification, URS, can bring several benefits, including clear expectations, better communication, improved quality, reduced costs, increased efficiency. Overall, a good URS can help ensure that the project is completed on time, on budget, and to the satisfaction of the users and stakeholders. It is hoped that you have comprehended the means by which to compose an improved URS. Kindly consider subscribing with us to obtain more up-to-date and refined information. This proactive step will undoubtedly aid in further enhancing your skills and knowledge in this regard.